Hi guys, today we are going to see the summary statistics of the elements that is resided in a collection stream. So suppose if we do have, so we have multiple streams, right? Each stream is there. We do have the long stream. We do have the double stream. So these are all streams, right? So if we want to get the some statistical data, like statistical data, matlab, let me write statistical data like some. So if we want to, if I would like to get some of the elements that is already decided in the stream, or if I would like to get the maximum element, so that is resided in the stream, minimum element, so or the count of the elements in the stream. So along with that, like average of the elements in the stream. So we can make use of this summary statistics. So this is the first procedure. We will be able to get the particular statistical data. Okay. So the summary statistics, if we talk about, so this is a terminal method. Okay. This is a terminal method. Let me write it. So terminal method that is being available with the Java 8. Okay. Terminal method. So which is introduced in Java 8. Okay. Okay. So let us start with coding. Okay. So if we talk about generating of the int stream, right? So suppose if I would like to uh, okay, create some stream of elements. Okay, some of elements. Okay, so I'm giving some int stream, and I'm importing that particular int stream, and I'm going to give that particular, what you can say, so elements. Okay, so before that, one more thing is there. Before that, just a moment. Yeah. So we do have the int stream, right? So I'm trying to generate that int stream of the elements. So I can give the elements what I need. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So I'm giving some n number of the elements. Okay. So I'm giving some n number of elements and I'm going to create this int stream. Okay. And so we would like to apply this summary statistics on top of it. Okay. So if you see this, so this is the terminal operation that is being available with the Java 8. And let us see. So what is being available? Okay, I'm going to the implementation part, declaration part. So if we see the summary statistics, okay, if we see the summary statistics, so we do have, yeah, get count is there, get sum is there, minimum max, average. So these are the certain things we can able to get from this particular summary statistics, right? So this is going to give us into summary statistics, okay? Into summary statistics, as this is a part of the integers, right? So we are going to get the into summary statistics. Yeah. So this into summary statistics, we are going to store it in some place, okay? In a variable. So I'm going to give it is in into summary statistics. Okay, I'm going to print all the things. I mean, sys out. I'm going to give the sys out, and I'm going to use this particular thing to print all the uh, functions that is being available with the into summary statistics. Okay, into summary statistics. I'm giving that, and I'm going to get the maximum of the element for the first thing. So max of the element. So max element in the stream. Okay, what I'm going to get. So I'm going to get, so into summary statistics dot get max. Okay, get max. The same way, if I want to print, okay, if I want to print the sum, okay, if I want to get the sum of the things, like we can make use of the get sum the same way. So sum of the elements, okay, I'm going to change it to the sum of the elements. Okay, sum of elements, sum of elements in the stream. Okay, so similarly, so we do have, I mean, whatever we have, right? So I'm going to, so this is the first time we will be seeing all the things. Okay. So they we can be able to get the minimum as well. We will be able to get the minimum. So minimum of elements in the stream, and we can count. Okay, count the number of the elements that is being available with the stream. So count of elements. Okay, count of elements. So internally, right? So it is making use of the reduce function. Okay, reduce function generally what it will do. Reduce function it will apply on the top of the elements. So and it will reduce the stream into this particular things. So let me expand. So this is the one thing. And if I would like to have other things like average and sum, okay, average of the elements in the stream, and there is a get average function is there. Okay, get average function is there. So let us see by printing all those things. Okay, so this is very simple. So we just generated a stream, each of a primitive ints, and then we are applying the summary statistics on top of it. So this is a terminal operation. So we are able to get the int summary statistics. Okay. So that is the reason, like in this int summary statistics, we will be able to get all the statistics related to this particular stream. Okay. We can get the particular maximum element in the stream. We can get the particular sum of the element in the stream. So we can get the minimum element of the stream. So we can get the count of the elements in the stream. Same way, like we can able to get the average of the stream. So guys, let's print this. Okay. Running as Java application, and okay, click on okay. Yeah, see, we are able to see 9 is the maximum. Yeah, maximum. Some of the elements is 41. Yeah, 41. And minimum element is 2 in our case. Yeah. And count of the elements is 7. Yeah. And this is the average of the stream. So the same way we can achieve the same thing. I mean, we can achieve the same summary statistics. So by using the integers as well. Suppose we do have the not the not the primitive ints, so we can achieve it. So we can achieve it in another way. Okay, another way. Suppose if we do have some other things. Okay, if we do have some list of the integers. Okay, so we are provided with the list of the integers. Okay, we are provided with the list of the integer. Correct. So int list equals to arrays dot as list, and we are going to have some other elements. Okay, 7, 4, 5, 6. So why it is throwing why it is, I mean, so the thing is, so we have taken the erase route as list. Okay, so we do get the int list. Okay, just I have imported by using the control shift O. Okay, control shift O. So this is the as everyone knows, so this is about the okay, let me take this int list. Okay, so this int list is comprising of the what we can say. This int list is primitive or not a primitive types. So this is completely, I mean, into the stream. Okay, so I am applying the stream operation on top of it, and I would like to get the map. I mean, integers, primitive integers. So that is the reason. So I'm going to uh, map to int. Okay, so till this point it is fine, right? Till this point it is fine, right? Yeah. Yeah. So what we can do, so we can make use of this int, right? So we would like to change it to int. Okay, so that is the reason, like I am going to use the map to int, and I'm going to provide that particular element. So here we are using the lambda expression. So so I'm using the color uh to color the operation. Okay, to color the sorry, things, to color the things, but I don't need, need these things. So I just wanted this summary statistics. Okay, so this is other way when we are going to give the list of integers. Okay, here boxing is applied. Okay, list of integer. So this is not a primitive types. So this is of the what you can say. This is of the more of the classes. Okay, integer class, and so we are converting it to so int. So by using the map to int. Okay, so the yeah, and one more thing. So this is a way, like it is also going to return us the same thing. Correct. So I'm going to use it. Yeah, this is, I will print it out as a into summary statistics one. Okay. So the same way like we do, we can make multiple operations on top of it. Yeah, as it is the same thing. So we may be able to see there is a get sum method, there is a get minimum method. So get max, get count. So as well as all the things will be there. Okay. So and I would like to give you one more thing. So that is like, so whenever we do have the some boxing, okay, boxing applied. I mean, so we have some primitives and we converted it to integers. So, and then we can apply on top of it as well. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. So we have some list of integers and without converting, okay, list of integer stream and without converting, okay, without converting to primitive type. So we can also collect the things. We can also collect the things. How we can do that? Okay. So this is one thing. How we can get the int summary statistics. Okay. So there is another way we can get it. So so instead of directly using summary statistics on top of it, right? So we can make use of the other way. Okay. Suppose I do have some list of integers. Okay. The same. I will take this list of integers. Okay. So I will take this list of integers. Correct. Yeah. And while correcting, okay, while correcting, so what I can do? So I mean, I got the list of the integers and I'm streaming. Okay. And what I can do on top of it. So I can make use of the, I can make use of the, so there is one collectors. Okay. In the collectors. So there is one thing you might be surprising. So there is a summary integer because these are integers, right? So there is a summary integer. Okay. There is a summary integer. So everybody is clear, right? So everybody is clear, right? Yeah. So we are getting the list of integers. Okay, we are getting the list of integers, and we can directly make use of the, okay, summarizing it. So let's see why it is throwing an error. Okay, so the summarizing int is taking two int function. Okay, so generally it is int only. I mean whatever that is returning, right? So it is int only. So we can just make use of this particular thing. Okay, we can just put our elements over here. So if we see the return type, so it is also resulting into summary statistics. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, and in results, okay, I can put it as results. Okay, so maybe, and why it is throwing an error? Okay, this is going to give us, yeah, yeah. So this is going to give us into summary statistics only. There is a spelling correction needed. So see here. So I haven't used any summary statistics. So instead, I'm going to color that particular stream. I mean, this is a list of integers. Okay, this is a list of integers. This is not an int type. And what we are doing over here, so we are going to use the collect and collectors dot summarizing it. Okay, so we are summarizing the int values that is being coming up as a part of the stream. Okay, so that is the reason like we are able to see. Okay, let me comment out this part. So we let me comment out this part. Okay, because we can be able to see output of that particular thing. Okay, I'm using control question mark so to just do that. So okay, yeah, maybe I'm taking this one. So into results. So dot. So what I can see, I can see all the things. Okay, get max is there, get minimum is there. So everything I am going to print it out in a single line. Okay, sys out. Let me take the sys out. Okay, so I'm going to give the max. Okay, max element, max element plus. So I'm going to print this one. Okay, max element. I'm going to use this one and I'm going to give some space, minimum element, and on top of it, so we can make use of the we can make use of the int results dot get min. Okay. So int results dot get min. Okay. And along with that, like the same thing. I mean, as it is the same thing, right? So what operations we can do? So we can do the sum of the elements. Okay. Sum of the elements I can do. Okay. Sum of the elements I can do. Okay. Yeah. This is one thing. And let me print it. Some of the elements. So, okay, some of the elements. So how I am going to print it? So I'm going to print it using int results. Okay, I'm going to print it using int results dot int results dot get sum. Okay, int results dot get sum. Okay, the same way we can do it. Okay, the same way we can do it. So in a single line, we are going to print the entire thing. I mean, so whatever the max, min, similarly, we can count the number of the variables. So this is the other way. Okay, so this we can say it as the third way that we can do. We can get, okay, we can get the summary statistics, right? Summary statistics data for elements in the stream. Okay, for elements in the stream. Okay, so we are going to do that. So let me run it. Okay, I would like to check that particular thing. So run as Java application. Okay, click on OK. See, so maximum element is 6, minimum element is 1. So minimum element is 1. Yeah, maximum element is 6. And the sum of the elements is like 6 plus 4, 10, 16. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, 16. Okay. So we are able to do this in this way as well. Okay. So this is not only applied for the what we can say inter stream. Okay. So we do have multiple streams, right? So we do have the long stream. We do have the uh, what we can say. We do have the long stream. We do have the double stream. Okay. Let us take some other stream. Okay. So whether if it is long stream, okay, long stream. So I would like to get the some statistics. Okay. So I'm going to do that long stream dot, yeah, long stream dot of, and I'm going to give some values. So what are the values I can give? 1L, comma, 2L, comma, 7L, 7L. Okay. So I have generated some long stream elements. Okay. So what I can do, I can just apply the summary statistics on top of it. Okay. So why it is not returning? Okay. long stream long stream dot of, yeah, dot, what is the reason like we are not able to get this particular thing? Okay, so long stream dot of, okay, dot, is there anything that we are missing? Because let me see, so what is the issue over here? Control shift O. Okay, let me see. Yeah, now if you see long stream is not throwing any error. Okay, I can make use of the dot summary statistics. Okay, the import is not yet happened, so that is the reason like we are able to see that particular error. And yeah, summary statistics the same way, so we can make use of the long summary statistics. Okay, so earlier we are able to see some different thing. Okay, let me long summary statistics. Okay, long summary statistics, long summary statistics, LSS. I have given as a LSS, but it is not a standard way so that we can give. Okay, let me type it. Okay, but yeah, okay. See, here also the same thing. Okay, long summary statistics dot get average. See, if we see, we can see get average, we can see get count, we can see get max, we can see get minimum, get max, get some. So we can get all the things. Okay, we can get all the things. Okay, let me print it. Okay, let me take from the above and let me print it. Okay, let me print this one. Okay, instead of summary statistics, we do have the long statistics. Okay, so that's the reason. So I'm going to print all these things. Okay. So this is long summary statistics and long summary statistics. Okay. So max element is there. So we can apply all the things. I mean, like uh, max, min, sum. So everything we can able to do that. Okay. So this is about the long. Okay. This is about the long. The same way we can do with double as well. I mean, so meanwhile I'm doing this. Okay. So same way we can do with double as well. Okay. You guys, um, uh, let me do that one. Okay. Let me do that one as well. So for our understanding, I mean, so I'm going to generate that double stream as well. Okay. The same way. So this is one way of the creating the summary statistics. Okay. So this is the final what we can say. This is a terminal operation. So when we apply on top of it, so we will be able to see the statistics resulting to the particular elements. I mean stored in the particular stream. So yeah. So after these things, right? So there is a other way we have written, right? There is summarizing into we have written. So the same way we can have some list of elements, right? I mean, so we do have this. So integer, what we can say, we do have this long stream. Okay. So this is a primitives. Okay. Long stream always create the primitives. Okay, primitives. And if I use the box, right? So what it will do, it is going to create the uh, non-primitive. So what we can say, the long classes will be long. There is a long. So this will be like the wrapper elements will be there, and so we do have the boxer thing, and when we can make use of the correct. So collect and collectors correct collectors not. So what we can use. So earlier we have used the summarizing it, right? So now we make use of the summarizing long. Okay, the same thing So we can give something, I mean, we can give the element so that we will be able to see the long summary statistics. Okay. Long summary statistics and long summary statistics, long summary statistics. Yeah. So long summary statistics, LSS1. So LSS1, I am going to take LSS1 equals to. So this is about the generating the long stream and getting the statistics for that particular stream. Okay. So when we have some primitive elements stored and we do, I mean, do the boxing, I mean external. I mean, we are doing the casting. Okay, we are doing the casting to the long, and again we are going to do the collecting that particular summarizing long. Okay. So I'm going to see whether it is able to return us that particular see. So we are able to see all the things, right? So that is how we can able to generate this long summary statistics as well. Okay. There is other way we can do the double stream as well. Okay. Double stream we can generate and we can apply the operations on the top of the double stream as well. Okay. We can get the summary statistics of that particular double as well. Okay. So the same way, I'm going to use double stream dot off. Okay, double stream dot off. See, double stream will always contain the elements. So how it should contain? Okay, 1.2. So 3.4. So these are the some decimals, right? I mean, 7.8. So again, we are making use of this dot some. Yeah. See, this double stream is, I think, so still it is not getting. So see double stream dot off, right? Double stream dot off. And so what is this one? So uh let me yeah. So we do have the double stream. The same thing we do have the double stream dot. So I'm not sure why it is not returning. So let us see. So what is the issue over here? See here into summary statistics is there, and yeah, into summary statistics is there. I'm not sure why long summary statistics is also not showing up. Yeah, okay. And the double stream dot off, and we should be able to see. Okay, we should be able to see. Let me see why it is not showing up. Okay, so this can be applied even at the double stream. Okay, yeah, double stream. Okay, let me type it. Okay, let me type it. Not copying instead of copying. So double stream. Okay, double stream dot of. Yeah, let me give some values. Okay, let me give some values. Like 3.2, 3.2, and 4.5, 7.8. Yeah. So I have given some double stream values. Yeah, see here. So this is because of some this thing. Okay. So if you see this here, right? So we are able to see the double stream. So summary statistics. Okay, double summary statistics. Yeah, double summary statistics. This is double stream of, okay, double summary statistics. Double stats. Okay, double stats. So I have given that name, and why it is okay. Yeah. See, because of some import issues only, like we are able to see these things. Yeah. Okay. So if we have any import issues, right, we can do Control Shift O. Okay. So we will be able to see the double statistics. Okay. Even this double statistics is also holding all these values. Okay. All these things like get, if we click on the get, right, so we will be able to see the average. We will be able to see the count, max, min, and sum. Okay. So so this is the reason, I mean, I just wanted to okay. Okay, let me take this one. Okay, let me take this one because I just wanted to print it. So and check. Okay, check the other way as well. Okay. Hmm. And the same thing here. I'm going to remove this. Okay, I'm going to copy this double summary statistics. Okay, double summary statistics, and let us see what is it going to really print, or else any other things are going to be whispered to us. Okay, let us see what is happening over here. Okay. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, we have covered, so into summary statistics, long summary statistics, and double summary statistics over here. Okay. And the main important thing over here is like, uh so even though this double summary statistics also, like we can do it in a different way. Okay. So we can make use of this double summary statistics dot off, and it is going to result as the primitive doubles, and on top of it I'm going to use the box set, so to convert it to non-primitives, and then we are going to collect it. So by using the color test dot, there is a summarizing double is there. Okay, summarizing double, and I'm going to give that element, particular element. Okay, so this is also going to print that particular, so double string. Okay, double stats 2. I'm going to give it as double stats 2. Okay, let us see. Okay, double stats 2. So I'm going to change some certain values. Okay, 4.6, and this is enough. Only two elements is enough for me. So I'm going to print this one as well. Okay, or else it will leave it, because I just wanted to show it up to you. So how we can do it in a multiple ways. Okay. So if we see, right, if we see, so there are these options as well. Okay, under this particular stream statistics, so we are able to see get average, so get sum, so get count. So all these functions will be available as a part of the summary statistics as well. Okay, so guys, let's bring this one. So at least this one. Okay, run as Java application. Okay, click on OK, and we will see. Yeah. So long summary statistics, the maximum, okay, we will go there. So long summary statistics, the maximum is 7, minimum is 1, maximum 7, minimum 1, and the sum is like 7, 2 plus 1, so 10. And there is a count of elements here, 3 elements is here, and we will be able to see the average of the elements. So 10 by 3, 3.333. Yeah. And the same way, like, so if we see about the double stream, so it is also working very fine. And yeah, so this is also like printed, right? So yeah, guys.